Would the real BJ Buddy please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up.
That's the Bottle Jack Buddy, the real Bottle Jack Buddy. If you've found cheaper Bottle Jack Buddies, they're not the real Bottle Jack Buddy. And you're gonna find out the hard way that you should have gotten the original Bottle Jack Buddy. There's Imposters. This Bottle Jack Buddy was made in America, where the quality is something you can trust, and it's something you can trust your life with. Do you want to trust your life with something that you don't know where it came from, what kind of metal it was? You know, if you see any pictures like this, or like that, or like that, those aren't the real Bottle Jack Buddy. They don't have the sticker on them because they're frauds. You can see how easy it is when it's the right one. Just making sure that jacking the thing up isn't your problem for the day. Since there's the original Bottle Jack Buddy and the big one, there's going to be the right size for any application. I don't care if it's a motorhome, boat trailer, off-road application, it's going to do the job for you. You know, we only ship from the USA, so if it's coming from somewhere else, it ain't the real Bottle Jack Buddy. Oh no! You're gonna get crushed.